All right, guys, so today we're talking camping gear. This is a Joolca Nomad Hottap kit. This is a sink, a shower, a river pump system, is everything all in one. So this thing is amazing. So essentially it's pretty much everything in a box. It's a plastic box, but it's not just any kind of box. It's a really durable box. So here it comes with the lids. Let's try to open it up so you guys can see. So the lid's on top, pretty much open it up. And we're gonna take out everything first so you guys can see everything that's in the box, what's contained in it, so you guys can have a better idea, and then I'll set it up for you. So inside here, you have these quick connect. So these are all quick connect cables. They all come in here, so there's tons of them. So we got these. You got the hot water tap system. So this is the actual propane heating system. It has your levels for your heating. It has your levels for your water flow, and then it has a thermometer, digistat thing here. Here you have your inputs for the gas, for the water, for the output. So this is all in here. All right, so you got also in here more cables, more wires, more hoses. And then you got your pump, which I'll show you. This is the connection for your pump. This is for the shower, for example. I don't know if you guys remember from the last video, but we have the Joolca Hottap double ensuite, which is basically the tent where you shower inside of, and you can do your wet side, and you have to also have your dry side. So this is the system for it. So this shower head, you have one or two ways of setting it up. So essentially, you can either use the system that comes inside of the ensuite, where you can use it as a shower head from on top of you, like a rain shower, or it has a magnetic mount. So you just pretty much put it on the back. And then anything that's magnetic, you just put it onto. For example, this is obviously a wall, not gonna work, but you just put it onto and it'll hold with the magnets. Now the cool thing is that you can basically use this in multiple ways, however you wanna use it. The top part comes off. So you just detach this, and then you have this bottom part, right? An example, for example, how would it be inside of the ensuite, the showering tent. You do your quick connects, just plug it in here. You grab this side here where this connection is, you put it in there, and then you grab the top of the shower head. And you shower head, you quick connect. So basically how it's gonna be set up inside the tent or inside the showering tent, is that the bottom here will be the control. So my kids can access it, and they just have to turn on and off. The preheat level for the heat will be already set. So you just gotta turn it on, and this will be above you. So pretty much all you gotta do is just turn it on, and the shower will be coming out from above you on the tent. The ensuite, the tent for the shower, already has the clips where you put this in through. So it's already preset for that, so it'll be above you. So it's an amazing system, and it's awesome because we can just pretty much set up in any way we need to. If you have a camper van, if you have a RV, a car for, overlanding, whatever it may be, you could just use a simple mount for the magnet, put it onto your car, and there you have a shower wherever you wanna be. We have the faucet. So this is the faucet for the sink. The same concept. They're all quick connects. You can use and disconnect however you want. But this is pretty much something we're not going to be using for disconnecting or anything like that. We're going to use it as is. I'll show you how that works in just a moment. Also in the box, you have the stand. This stand is for the water heater. So if you want to put your water heater, just set it on the floor. You just set your water heater into here. You just put your water heater into here. And then that will be held there with the wires running out, and that's how you have your hot water heater on the floor to heat up your whole system, run the water through and do all those things. So it's awesome because this system also has a bracket, a metal bracket, which you can mount permanently onto a trailer, an RV, or whatever, and you can pop in and out, or just find somewhere to hang it from. And just hang it from a tree branch or whatever you want, and the bracket would mount back here if you want that option. So you have a couple different options when it comes to this. And for over here, for anyone that'll do that more rugged outdoor dry camping, you want to pump out some water out of a river, you got this pump here. So you pretty much put this pump, connect some cables to it, blah blah blah, and then you can pump water out of the river or canal, well not canal, but river or creek or whatever you want. You have this filter system which you hook up and you put it into a cable. Then you run the length of wherever you need to, and you can pump water out. Our idea is if we do some dry camping, we can put this filter into a water tank or whatever we have, pump water out of there and use it for our sink or a shower or anything we may need. So it's an awesome system, so we don't have to go run a bunch of other stuff or anything like that. We just pump this thing in from any water tank or source we have, and we'll get some water into the site. Here, the box doesn't only just carry everything in there, it's also the sink. So let me show you how that works. So here, you put the tops in each little lid. You put the tops into each hole, and basically that will create your place where you put your pots, your pans, your dishes, and it's drying. This thing is very hard, as you can see. It does not bend. It doesn't, it's a super durable box. And then you have your faucet, right? So you grab this mount, you pop it into here, the front of it, you put it in this hole. You have a whole sink right here. So this sink is completely, you can pivot, you can go up, down, wherever you need. and you connect the hose here, and you have this thing running at full water. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all set up, so you guys can have an idea of the water flow, of the use of it. It also has inside of here, if you take a look, there's a drain plug. So you can just drain plug straight out of here. You can also connect one of the cables, one of the hoses. If you grab, for example, one of these hoses here, you connect this on the outside, and you can drain all the water straight to any source or away from your campsite. So an awesome system, so that way you have multiple options on how you can set this up. You can drain it out to a different place, you can put it into another tank and then take it away to your dump station. There's so many possibilities with this thing, it's amazing. So let's go ahead and try to set it up. I want to show you guys what it looks like and how it's set up and how it works, so you have a better idea, and you can see if it works for you guys. All right, so sorry for the background noise, guys, as we're next to a busy street, but this is the system set up. This is the sink. So as you see here, we already have over here, take a look, our hot water system right here. This is the heater. So it's on top of the stand, and we have all the connections going out, and it's the propane tank. This is not the propane tank that we're gonna be using. This is the propane tank that we just have here for the backyard. We'll be using our small one you guys see in the campgrounds. But this is the hot water system. So you just adjust here the temperature you wanna have it on. So actually we put it way too hot. You adjust the water flow you want coming out, and the burners will automatically start, and the heat will kick in. So we just used it a moment ago, and it turned like in 2 seconds, it was super hot. So this is the initial setup. We're just trying it out, see how it goes. So over here's our sink. To show you the water flow we have, obviously this is connected to a city connection, so granted it's getting a lot of power and flow, but check this out. Tell me that's not amazing. And within seconds, like it just came out, now it's coming out hot already. So it has great flows. You guys can see, you can pivot back and forth. So this is gonna be a game changer for when we go to our campgrounds and start washing dishes and pots and stuff like that. It's gonna be amazing. The cool thing, for example, is that you see right now we have this in the faucet mode. I can either use the splitters, or I can just go direct to the shower head. So for right now, just for initial purposes to show you guys what it looks like, I'm just gonna do this. Come around to the back over here. So I'm just gonna show you this, how this works, right? So you do this quickly, whoop. All right, so I sucked myself trying to show you guys. I didn't realize I still had the water on. That's what the splitters are for. But point is, here you have your connection. You just do a quick disconnect. You can disconnect from here. You grab your shower head, quick to connect. I don't have anywhere metal to put it besides the barbecue area, so I'm just gonna hold it here in my hand. Now you guys can see, if you had it inside the shower, or you have it onto the metal bracket, whatever it be, just turn on. And that's the pressure on the shower. And it's warm, very warm. So you guys see it has an amazing shower pressure. You can pivot up and down wherever you guys wanna go. And it's great. So I'm really excited about this and can't wait to start actually camping and using this. Well, if you have a metal place to put it, obviously just pop it onto there. If not, use the shower system that we have for the tent, and that's how we're gonna be using it. So yeah, this is the setup. We'll show you guys obviously when it is in actual use at the campground, and so you guys can have a better idea of it and see it in use. So, all right guys, so far I'm super impressed with the system. I think I'm just impressed. I'm a loss for words. It works really good. It has an amazing pressure. It comes out super hot, super quick. We're excited. So we want to test it out. We want to take it camping. We want to get it out there. Like I said, with all my products, we will definitely let you know long-term usability, workability, and if it just works in general, right? If it's worth it, if it's worth you wasting your money, because it is a costly system if you buy the whole set. So nonetheless, you guys will be seeing it in our campsites. You will see how we use it, how we have it on our daily campsite uses. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.